Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about area between two curves. When we say area between two curves, we will use A is equals to integral from A to B, circle brackets, y1 minus y2 dx. Okay? So y1 will be the upper curve and then y2 will be the lower part. Okay? So on the board, I have find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equals to x squared and the line y equals 4x. Okay? So first thing to do is I need to equate y1 and y2. So assuming that y1 and this will be y2. So I have now x squared is equal to 4x. Okay, then I will transpose 4x to the left, then equate to 0. So x squared minus 4x, then this will be equal to 0. Then factor out. So common will be x, circle brackets x minus 4, then this will be equal to 0. So meaning I have now x is equals to 0, then I have x minus 4 is equals to 0. So, solving for x, transpose negative 4 to the right. So, this will be equal to x equals 4. So, I have now x equals 0 and then x equals 4. The next step is I will tabulate the curve and then the line. Solving for x and y values. So, 0. So, this will be 0. I have now y equals x squared. So this will be 0 squared. So meaning this will be also 0. Then what if x is 1? So y equals 1 squared. So this will be equal to 1. Then next when x equals to 2. So y equals circle brackets 2 squared. Or this will be equal to 4. Then when x is 3. So when x is 3, so y equals circle brackets 3 squared, so this will be equal to 9. Then the last will be when x equals 4. When x equals 4, so y equals circle brackets 4 squared, that will be equal to 16. Then how about the line? So the same, I will make a tabulation for x and y values. So again, I have to use from 0. So equation is y equals 4x. When x equals 0, so y equals 4 times 0. So this will be equal to 0. When x is 1, so when x is 1, so y equals 4 times 1. So this will be equal to 4. Then when x is 2, y equals 4 times 2, so this will be 8. Then when x is 3, so when x is equal to 3, so y equals 4 times 3, or this will be equal to 12. Then the last will be when x equals 4, so when x is equal to 4, y equals 4 times 4, so this will be equal to 16. Okay, since I have the x and y values of the curve and the next x and y values of the line. So next step is I will plot the points and the Cartesian coordinates. Okay? So I think I will erase this. But before I will plot the points on the Cartesian coordinates, let us compare. So the same 0. Then what else? 4 and 16. So meaning lower limit, upper limit. Okay? Then I will plot the points. So this will be y-axis. 16. So this will be, say, 4. This one will be 8. This one will be 12. Then this will be 16. Okay? So 1, 2, well, wait. 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Oh, not enough. So it should be in here 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be x values. So 0, 0 in here. Then next is 1, 1. Actually, this is parabola opening upward because y is positive. Then 2, 4. This one in here. After 2, 4, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in here. Then 4, 16 in here. 4, 16. Okay, so this is parabola opening upward. Okay. Next is the line 0, 0, then 1, 4. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Then 2, 8. 1, 2, 3. This one 8. 2, 8. 2, 8. 2, 8 is 3, 12. 3, 12. I think in here 3, 12. 3, 12. 4, 16. So this one. Okay. This is the line. So this is the area. Okay. Allow me to erase this portion. So this will be y equals 4x. Then this one will be y equals x squared. So this is the area, square units. Okay, so area is equals to integral from 0 to 4. Then y1 minus y2 dx. So take note, a y1 will be the upper curve. So from 0 to 4, so I will use square brackets. Y1 is the line. So circle brackets 4x minus circle brackets x squared. Then this will be dx. Okay, simplify inside the square brackets. So this will be integral from 0 to 4. So I have now circle brackets 4x minus x squared dx. Then integrate inside the circle brackets. So this will be 4x squared, 4x squared over 2. Then minus x cubed over 3. Just take n plus 1 over n plus 1. Then limits from 0 to 4. So this will be 2x squared minus x cubed over 3. Then limits from 0 to 4. So take note, we have f of b minus f of a. So this will be UL, upper limit. Then this one is LL, lower limit. So I will start with my upper limit. So this will be square brackets 2 times 4 squared. Then minus circle brackets 4 raised to the third power over 3 enclosed with square brackets. Then minus f of a. So we are here, LL. So this will be 2 times 0. Then minus circle bracket 0 cube over 3. then enclose with square brackets, and then total close with brace. Okay? So this will be equal to, so I will use square brackets. This will be 2 times 16. Then minus 64 over 3. So I will use this one. Then minus, this will be 0, minus 0. Then enclose with brace. So this will be, so 2 times 16, that will be 32. Minus 64 over 3. Minus 0. So this will be, LCD will be 3. Then multiply, that will be 96 minus 64. So 96 minus 64. So this will be 2, 3. So this will be equal to 32 over 3 square units. Okay? So this is now the area. So meaning this will be 32 over 3 square units. Okay? So I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.